Hi guys, today I'm making oats, which is one of the recipes I use to break my fast in this 50 days weight loss journey. This is the oats I normally use. So the Oatbran, they are finer than the normal oats, or you can also use the oatmeal. This is 4 tablespoons. I'm going to add water. I will not add sugar to it. Normally when I have my oats, I don't add sugar. It doesn't take long to cook at all. Usually within 5 minutes it should be done. That's my oats. No sugar added. However, I've got blended almonds and raisins. I've also added natural yogurt to it. I'm going to pour it on top. This is not my usual thing, but obviously because this is my last meal for the day, and I'm going to be continuing the fast from tomorrow. I want to make sure that I have some good fat and carbs to keep me going, because I don't want to lose too much weight and now be trying to put back the weight. So that's my oats. I'm going to sit down and slowly eat this, and I'll see you on day 1 for week 2 of my 50 days fast. God bless you. Have a wonderful time. Bye.